This is the Rasberg Castle. And according to Wikipedia, napapalibutan to dati ng water. Ngayon, hindi na siya napapalibutan ng water. Papalibutan ng land na siya. Andun yung theater. May music. Puti pala yung tao ngayon. Wow! Imagine, before it was covered by, surrounded by water. And now it's landlocked. No? Iba talaga ang mga Finnish, historical. Saan tayo papasok? Ang kulit ng mga dito maganda yung picture. Dito. Sus, akyat pa pala kami doon. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.